Hey everyone, here we are for net force worksheet number 3. This one, you have a person in an elevator. The elevator is accelerating downwards. Again, we want to construct a force diagram, write equations, and find the force the floor exerts on the person. So redrawing this, I want to kind of show a little motion map here to explain how I can figure out what is happening. My velocities are going upwards and the car is slowing down. That means there has to be a downward negative acceleration on the car. The acceleration is given to you of 3 meters per second squared. So looking at my system schema again, I've got a person, I've got the earth, and I've got the elevator, just like we had last time. How do they all interact? Well, the force of gravity comes from the earth and acts on both objects. And again, the elevator is supporting the person. The star again is the person. We want to know what forces the person feels. So redrawing the person as a dot, we can indicate which direction each of those forces are acting. We've got the force of gravity acting down, and we've got the support force acting up. Again, so you don't fall through the elevator. However, this time, I'm drawing different tick marks on each force because I'm going to say that this must be an unbalanced situation. Why does it have to be an unbalanced situation? Because the object is accelerating. So based on that, we can use Newton's second law. The net force equals ma, and the net force is a combination of the two forces that you see acting on you because they act in the same direction as the acceleration. We've got the support force up, and I'm going to subtract the force of gravity down. The person again is that same 85 kilogram person from video 1. That means that their force of gravity is an easy 850 newtons. The question is, what is that support? That's what I'm looking for. So I'm going to rewrite my equation here with known numbers. I know the force of gravity is negative 850 downwards. The mass is 85 kilograms. And the acceleration is right there of 3 meters per second squared. It is a downward acceleration because the object is slowing down as it moves in the upward direction. Doing MA, I get negative 255 newtons. I know the person, again, weighs 850 newtons. So all I need to do now is solve for what that support force is going to be. Doing some algebra and moving stuff around, you end up with a support force of 595 newtons. The scale is pushing lower than your actual force of gravity. Because now, as you're moving upwards, the elevator continues to move upwards, and you kind of lift off the elevator as the car starts to slow down.